It's popping, y'all boys. Your boy Sean back again with another video. And today we're on a GoPro again. Gonna be a little POV video. Well, actually a review video. Don't mind how dirty my car is. Move these out the way. I'm gonna do a review video on the mod I just did, the rear motor mount for the Hasport. The real motor mount for the Civic SI. And yeah, it's a 70A motor mount. Rear motor mount. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the vibrations and all the sounds it make and how the car starts up and all that. So yeah, let's get started. So as you can hear, it's a little rattle, tiny bit. Ain't nothing too crazy. That's a rattling, the water bottle. See, the chain's not rattling because it got that little mat, that little plastic mat, but it's not that bad. Let me see if I can show you guys something. No, it's not. See, it's not really that bad. I'll show you guys a little exhaust. It's really hot outside today, like crazy hot. So let's get this show on the road. So while driving, you don't really get no vibrations. It's only vibrations when you actually like from the start, like this. It's the only time you feel vibrations. But after that, you don't really feel nothing. I put about, like, I guess I could say almost 200 miles on this. So yeah. So all the vibrations, you know, minimalized. Is that even a word? Is that even how you say it? Minimalize. Yeah. So nothing really changed about the driving. It's just a little bit stiffer now. And you feel the road a little bit more, you feel the engine. That's about it. I do feel like my car responds a little bit quicker. So school time, that's not good. For daily driving this, I feel like it's perfect. It's not too crazy, and look at all that construction. I just washed my car. But yeah, for daily driving this car, for daily driving this motor mount, it's not bad. A lot of people complain that it vibrates too much. You really don't feel no vibrations. I don't know what people be bitching about, but this is not bad at all. For the price I bought it for $124. That's for eBay. You can get it used if you go on the forums. I see people selling in the forums for like $80, $100. So you could get a real good deal if you find somebody got a loud ass freaking bus. You could find this for a really good deal if you just, you know, do the research. The installs, it was decent. Took a little minute. You really have to line up the bolts and stuff to really get them in. After that, it's pretty easy install. I recommend doing this with 2 people. I did it by myself, so that's why it took it so long. that's why it took so long. So if you have a friend who could help you with this install, I'll really do it. I mean, if you could do it, if you could do it by yourself, you could do it by yourself. But if you want to get it done quickly, I'll say have a friend with you. Like I said, first impressions, vibrates on startups, vibrate from like you taking off and stuff. And when you lug the engine, so like if you're driving, your RPMs are like under 2, you actually feel those vibrations there. But after that, it's nothing crazy that makes you go crazy. So yeah, man, that's really it. You guys just gonna get a driving video now, cause I don't know what else to do. If you guys could drop some ideas down below, let me know what you guys want to see. I don't know if you guys want to see some races. I don't know if you guys want to see me just, you know, drive POVs. I'm not trying to make this channel a POV channel. I'm just, you know, running out of ideas right now. But yeah, man, Hasport motor mount is really it. Should really get one. Ugh. Right now, I'm making my way to my girl's house. You feel me? I'm not gonna say nothing. But yeah, little driving video for you guys. My other driving video seemed like it was really interesting and people kind of like watching it. So fuck it. Why not make another one? It's a green light. Got some mods coming up for you guys. We just gotta have to wait for it. Hope my sound's not muffled. There's a lot of wind coming in this car right now. I wish you guys could see how hot it is. Like, I see heat waves on the floor. It's so hot. Florida is so bipolar. Like 2 days ago it was raining, then it was nice and cold. Well, not cold, but nice, you know, nice temperature. And today is just like hot as hell. Like somebody cooking us. It's crazy. But I'm almost there to my girl's house, so I'm gonna be ending this video pretty soon. Sorry that it wasn't really a long video. I didn't really know what else to talk about. But you feel me? It's hard making these type of videos, man. You gotta really have something to say. I just wanted to show you guys the, you know, drive with the motor mount and how it feels. So, would I recommend you getting a motor mount? Hell yeah. If I could get every motor mount for my car, I would. The upper freaking pitch shit, the transmission mount. I already have the rear. So to pull and end off the video, fuck it. Alright, you guys, that's it for the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. You feel me? Yeah.